I clearly believe that I'm handing over a stronger Infosys. I think when I took over, we were faced with a number of internal and external challenges. Externally, it was a tough economic situation. Our clients were tentative. We had a number of internal challenges. We faced with employee retaliation suits. We were faced with an investigation from the U.S. Department of Justice. We had not applied for adequate visas, which had increased our subcontracting costs, which impacted our margins. So a number of internal issues. If you look at it today, and if you look at last year, we are behind all of those. We doubled our growth rate from last year to last year, 5.8 to 11.5%. So we are definitely a stronger Infosys today than what was in the past. Vishal is a visionary leader. He has an excellent team of people. Praveen has been with the company for the last 25 years. They are on they are inheriting a stronger Infosys, and I wish them all the best.
Okay, Praveen, let's talk about one alarming number, and then alarming number is the attrition rate. It is a high number. Why is that?
The attrition is high, definitely.
It's very high, actually.
But you have to look at it this quarter. Quarter one is historically where our attrition is always maybe 300 basis points higher than the typical attrition you see in rest of the quarters. Over the last few quarters, we have done multiple things. We have listened to the employees. We have listened to their concerns. We have addressed many of the concerns. One was around predictability. So we said we'll have compensation increase and promotions on a timely basis. We have published a calendar and we have done that. We have now moved to quarterly promotions so that people can get more opportunities and get promoted quickly. So we rolled it out in quarter 4. In quarter 1 also we have had promotions. So we are doing multiple things on the employee front.
Utilization rate, big success story, 80%, congratulations. But is that number here to stay?
I would think so. I would be more than happy with the utilization continuing at more than 80%, and that's what we have been seeing in the last couple of quarters, that we would want our utilization to be 80 to 82%. But it's also a factor of the demand that you see, because you want to build the strategic bench. You need to invest in people, keep them ready, train them, and look for opportunities outside. So I think what you would see is that as the demand starts picking up, our utilization would fall marginally. And that would be to invest in a strategic bench. But I think I'm very happy with the utilization having gone up over the last 4 or 5 quarters, reaching 80.1% this quarter, which has really helped us in mitigating the impact of wage hike and visas this quarter. So I think it's a good track record. It gives us confidence that we can increase our utilization when needed, and it also gives us the confidence to invest in people and train them and keep them ready on the bench. So I think you would see the utilization moving up and down quarter-on-quarter basis, depending on how we see the demand for the future. But I think the past few quarters has been a great success story.